Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: a Microsoft account and access to your website code. First, create a new Clarity project and copy the tracking snippet. Paste it into every page inside Head or add it through your tag manager for consistent coverage. Once done, enable session replay and heat maps so Clarity records interactions. This lets you see how users move and click, which is critical for diagnosing UX issues and prioritizing fixes based on real behavior. Now you dive into the data. Apply filters by URL, device, or behavior like rage clicks to isolate problematic sessions. Filtering narrows noise so you can focus on root causes. Watch session replays to observe exact user interactions. Pay attention to hesitation, repeated clicks, and form input errors because they reveal friction. Then examine heat maps to quantify click density and scroll depth. Together, these views show both individual user pain points and aggregate trends to guide design or technical fixes. Finish by turning insights into action. Prioritize issues that affect many users or block conversions, then implement fixes. Consider a /B tests or staged rollouts so you can measure improvements. After deployment, use Clarity to validate impact by comparing session behavior and heat maps before and after. This proves whether changes worked. If you see no sessions or missing data, troubleshoot by confirming the snippet is on every page, verifying project ID, and checking for ad blockers or.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.